Gimme. Hi. Where'd he go? Lexi, you're terrible. Oh, she still had the last rock. Don't hit my dog. Ah, stick. Oh. Go. We want them together. Good boy.
Okay.
Ready?
You ready, Lex? Next.
She's like, no, I want the stick. God, chicken little moment. It was not my dog out.
I don't know what you want from me, Lex. You've got all the stones. You've got to bring them back to me, girl.
Maybe this. Ready? Lexi. Oh, a stone. Ready, Elmo. Good that. Good boy. And go. Yay. Good boy. Hello. You're so fluffy. You're so fluffy. Elmo's down. Lazy boy. He's killing the only stick we have. Said. I wonder if anyone else has said that in the middle of a forest. The only stick we have. Zoom in on the trees. Yay, they're actually together.
Finally.
I like the way they've just left without us. They've just gone.
I swear you're blind.
Oh, incoming. Yay. Oh, incoming. Oh, finally, the photo opportunity of a lifetime. Something about having the camera on. She just doesn't want the public to see that she's with Elmo. So that backfired. Look, it looks like he's got sand highlights. Yeah. Somewhere splashing with the water. He rolled in the sand. Come on, you're definitely not going to impress them ladies now. He rolled in the sand. Come on, Elmo, this way.
Go back to Mum.
Yeah, I can directly go straight.
Come on, Elmo.
Come on, come straight.
It's too confusing.
It is very confusing.
Yeah, Elmo. Good boy. Come on then. You coming? Come on. Don't fall. Don't fall on my dog. God.
Well done.
Oh, goodness sake.
I'm not very fast. I don't like it. Wait.
I'm done. It scares me. I know, Elmo. You're right there. Just like casually walk over.
I hate it when you've got the coffee. Were they running around together?
Yeah, they were playing a bit, weren't they, together, Katie? They were playing fetch together. Were you? You eating that stick? Don't eat the stick. Yeah, little.